1 minute. I call this supersonic squats. Bring your legs together and go as fast as you can and go as slow as you need. But just keep going. Keep going. Make sure that your legs are as close as possible. Your feet are planted to the earth. And squeeze your belly. You can do it. You can do it. We are doing it. Let's go. Let's go. Breathing in and exhaling out. Remember, if you have to sit on a chair, you can also do this as well. Just make sure that you are sitting at the edge of the chair and you just swing your arms back and forth, back and forth. But we can do this. Yes, just a few more seconds. We can do it. Go a little bit lower if you can. Plant your feet to the earth. Keep going. 3, 2, 1.